Now, to start off making a pinch pot character, you can do any type of animal you want to. I'm just going to make something simple, and I'm just going to make a little frog. So I'm going to go ahead and take some green Play-Doh here, and I'm just going to get it a little bit softer. And I'm going to take about this much of it. Now, the first thing you want to do is roll it up into a ball. So just go ahead and roll it up real quick, just like this. Now, to make your little pinch pot character, all you're going to do is push your thumb in there, and you're just going to pinch all the way around. So I'm just going to pinch all the way around here, and then any little cracks or anything I get, you can just kind of mush it together. So we're just going to kind of push everything together, just like that. Now, after you have this, I'm going to make some little legs for my frog. I have this all made out. Then we want to begin the legs. Now, to make the legs, I'm going to take a little piece of clay, or a little piece of Play-Doh. I'm going to roll it into a ball, and I'm going to roll it back and forth in my hands like this, so it gets a little longer. It's kind of like a baby carrot. And I'm just going to gently push that down so it's kind of flat. So I'll do the same thing with this one over here. I'm just going to roll it into a ball. Then I'm going to go back and forth like this just to make it a little bit bigger. So it's like a baby carrot, and then just flatten it down. Now if you have something small, what you can do is you can always go and kind of cut two little lines in here, just kind of make some toes, and you kind of spread them apart. And you can make some little toes. But if you don't have anything like that, then you can just kind of pinch them apart yourself using your hands. You can just kind of pinch apart and make some little toes for your frog. Then all you have to do is just kind of push these down, and I like to take it and just kind of mush the Play-Doh together so it just kind of all sticks together. And now I have some little toes for my frog, some little feet. Now I'm also going to add a tongue on here. So I'm going to take a little bit of pink Play-Doh, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it into a little ball. Now, I'm going to soften it up a little bit. Now, after I have it into a ball, just kind of like how I made the feet, I'm going to roll it back and forth so it gets a little bit bigger, kind of like a baby carrot. Then I'm just going to flatten this out. And I'm going to take this and just kind of push this right into here, so I have a little tongue for my frog. Now, the last thing I want to do on my frog is give him some eyes. So I just kind of pinch down my Play-Doh a little bit. Then I'm going to take two pieces of white Play-Doh, and I'm going to roll each one of these into a little ball. I want to get about the same size. Then I'm just going to kind of stick them right on there. Then I'm just going to take a little tiny piece of black Play-Doh, try to keep them about the same size. I'm going to roll each one of them into a ball. I'm just going to kind of flatten them out, and I'm going to stick them onto there just to make some little eyes on my frog. And there you go. There is your simple little pinch pot frog by using just a couple little different color pieces of Play-Doh. If you don't have all the different colors, then you can just stick with one color, or you can try making any little animal that you want to. But here's just a simple little pinch pot frog.